My name's Jessica and we're Family of Nomads. We just got our brand new Heartland Cyclone 4014C and we want to give you a tour of the master bedroom. So it's right up these stairs. One thing that I love is we have 2 bathrooms in this camper that are full bathrooms, so 2 showers, and this is one of the bathrooms right off of the master, and we have access to it from our master bedroom, which I really love that part. All right, so if you come in here, it has dressers pre-installed, which is really nice. I have the top 2 drawers and Dub has the bottom 2 drawers. I told him I'm taller, which I am taller than him, so I didn't want to have to bend down as far. And he laughed and he was fine with that. One thing I do really love is that this pulls out for like some secret storage. We think that we are going to run some cables back here and have this be our charging station for our video equipment, but there's a lot of space back here, and it came with a TV. So when you buy a new camper, usually they come with TVs where there's a TV mount. So we have 3 TVs in this camper, 1 in the master, and there is a washer and dryer hookup, but right now we are not using the washer and dryer hookup. We're renting our other camper, so we kept the washer and dryer in there. And right now this is all of our stuff that we don't know where we're gonna put it. We still have to find a spot for these things. Like the last little bit, when you move in somewhere, you have so much stuff and you don't know where you need to put it. So we kind of have an idea, we just need to figure it out. It's gonna take a couple more days. And then this is the main part of our master closet. So one thing that I really love about this closet is that the hanging rack is up really high, and our other one, it was down pretty low. So we have a bunch of storage space down here. We're actually gonna get a little mini dresser to put down here so we even have even more storage. There are cubby holes all in the side. So I have the top 3 cubbies, and then Dub has the bottom 2. So this closet is really nice, and it's actually a walk-in closet, so it's flush with the floor is flush with the room, which I've never actually seen a camper like that before, so that's really nice. And these doors just fold back in on themselves. When we did get the camper, this came with a king-size bed, and you could barely fit right here, but we don't really like having a king-size bed. We like having a queen, so Deb actually cut down this board right here to fit our queen size bed so that we have more space. So that's one thing that we did, a mod that we did do to the room. And of course we had to replace our mattress because RV mattresses are awful, and we love our mattress that we got from Brooklyn Bedding. RVmattress.com is a Brooklyn Bedding brand known for top of the line comfort and quality. Plus their mattresses are made right here in the US and shipped conveniently to you for free. They offer different firmness options, heights, and dimensions, even RV specific and non-traditional sizes to fit into your lifestyle. When searching for a new RV mattress, I personally needed a mattress to not only fit in the RV, but I also needed it to be comfortable. Living in a camper should not mean an uncomfortable mattress. Based on this, I got the Brooklyn Aurora Hybrid mattress in medium firmness and queen size. I've had my mattress for a couple of nights and we have loved sleeping on it. When buying a new camper, the mattress that comes in the RV is always horrible. What I love about this one is the comfort level and quality compared to the old mattresses. How safe and easy it was to buy online versus going to the store. With your RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, you will get a 120-night sleep trial with a 10-year warranty. If it makes you nervous to buy something that you haven't tried, Brooklyn Bedding has a 120-night sleep trial, so you can get more than 3 months to make sure you love it. If you don't, you get a full refund. Plus, all mattresses available on RVmattress.com have a 10-year warranty, so you can rest easy during your exciting adventures. RVmattresses.com deliver your mattress right to your door for free within the US, plus it comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up yourself. The best part about all of this is that Brooklyn Bedding manufactures all of their RV mattresses in their own factory in Arizona. I love my RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out RVmattresses.com. You can click the link below or go to RVmattress.com and get 20% off of your mattress with code NOMADS. Thank you, RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, for sponsoring us. And up here is a shelf that's just, right now we're putting our hats, and I have a computer and a heating pad. All right, and next to my side of the bed, I have these shelves right here. I don't really like how it's not really organized super pretty right now, but In the other camper, these were things that I had just sitting out on the dresser and we had to move them around a lot. So I really like that I have this like nightstand table with like my charger for my phone and my watch and my hand lotion and all that stuff. So this is the master bedroom and we really love it. There's a ton of space in here and it feels really homey, but my favorite part, hands down, access to the bathroom. All right, let me hold the camera. I want to see what your favorite part is.
My favorite part is we can hide a lot. And when I mean hide, we have that huge under storage of the bed. So that is my favorite part. I will be adding shelves or an outlet or something over here to make it a little bit better. But other than that, that's the bedroom tour. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching.